cinnamon plants here, right here. And this is basically what they look like before they are put in packets.
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
what?
Yeah.
Jang in Acholi. Once again, I find myself at the main market. So I'm back at Gulu main market. The reason I came here today is to collect the dress that I asked this lady to make for me, and I came to try it on, and I was generally happy. The only thing I would say is I would have hoped to have the direction of the pattern in one direction. I'm done at the tailor's and I picked up my dress. You saw it. Now I'm just gonna buy some eggs and then I'm gonna go home. And this is basically what they look like before they are put in packets. Are these ready or are they overdone? They've been there too long, right?
Now ready.
Yes, now ready.
Been 3 months.
So this is the G-nut field. Or is it the field?
Yes, the field.
Yeah. All here, groundnuts underneath. Wow. So I'm here in the garden where grandma planted her G-nuts. There are also cinnamon plants here, right here. It's just beautiful that you can have this kind of thing in your own home. It's wonderful, and I think every Ugandan has that. As long as you have some land, you can plant. I love it. This is what I'm having for dinner. It's boar with some posho. Actually, the boar has eggs in it. And also some nuts, G-nuts.
Why this process has been. Number one is because of lack of information.
We ended up going to this church where they were holding a youth conference, and so they were telling a funny story, and that's why the youth are laughing.
Praise the name of the Lord. We have only 2 gospel artists who are going to minister. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. About you to praise the Lord. I'm just doing what I'm told to do. I think you are getting mad about do the young man. We are going to welcome our brother. Running.
I can hear you. Praise the Lord. This is so amazing. Let us clap for one for the spiritual. Yes, you will.
Praise the name of the Lord. We have only 2 gospel artists who are going to minister. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. About you to praise the Lord. I'm just doing what I'm told to do. I think you are getting mad about do the young man. I don't want to be God. You go to the bed. Stop looking at people, but look unto God. Stop looking at the situation around you, but you look unto God. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. The white guitar that I will never forget about. If they look unto me, hallelujah. Hallelujah. No, I am not forgotten, and you Tomorrow by this time, you'll never remain the same man. Because you are not forgotten by the Lord. Lord, as time they'll celebrate together with you. Those who let them go. One day they'll come back to you. Just a matter of time, you see the goodness of the Lord. It's you,
Finally got done at church and now I'm just heading home, even though it's kind of like a youth crusade going on.
Welcome to my city.
Oh, yeah. This is your city?
City now. City now. City now. City now. Welcome to my city, Tabi.
Thank you.
City now.
Calvin with the sugarcane. It's what? Chang in Acholi.
We call it yang.
Are you going to chew this whole stalk?
I'll do it up to here.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just one part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who's gonna carry? Me myself.
You carry it.
Oh, me.
Yeah, you.
I'm a big man. I don't carry.
But
You're Rasta. How are you? You good?
I will do.
Yes. Thank you, Calvin.
One,
It's light. It's not heavy. No, I'm not really into
This one for
sugarcane.
KK.
No.
And this one for Calvin. All this part is mine.
Why?
Put it away. Because I'm a big man. I'm a big man.
You're
Okay.
a big man. You
Big
just
man. You are just 18 years old. KK, you are
Now.
29 and I'm 32.
he is big and he don't want
In
to
your
hold it.
dreams.
And he wants to take the whole part of it.
I know, but
So
you keep it, Calvin,
I'll
for
give
yourself.
it to him to carry.
Okay, yeah.
But you will
Make him
not
carry it.
Now.
Eh?
It's a nice, cool evening tonight. Love it.
Whoa.
Ketabi.
Ketabi. Yeah.
That's my new nickname.
Wagwan.
There's been an invasion of white ants.
Ever since I was young, I've always known about white ants. When I was around 8 or 9, that was the first time I saw white ants, and they had this kind of black and white, grayish kind of salt and pepper appearance type of look. And that was when they were ground into a paste. My mum was preparing them to put into some dish. I don't exactly remember the exact dish, but this was way before I had ever gone to Uganda. So my mum was preparing this delicacy, something that is considered an absolute delicacy in Uganda, when I was young. Now, I'm much older. I've gone to Uganda and I'm literally seeing white ants. This is not the first time I've seen like a kind of swarm or invasion of white ants. In this image, in this video that I'm showing you now, it's definitely not an invasion, but I have seen like how white ants are collected outside when it's pitch black, and then you attract them with a light. Typically, to collect white ants, what people do is they go out when it's the season and they shine a bright torch and they have their basket ready. And then the white ants literally just fall into the basket. And they cover the basket And then the next day or whenever they're ready, they can grind them up, roast them, fry them, however they prepare them, and then add them to their food. And in Acholi, this is called ngwen. That directly translates to white ants. If you are somebody who knows the numbers in Acholi, Achel, Ariu, Adek, Angwen. Angwen means 4, so all you really have to do is remove the A, the A from the Angwen, and it becomes Ngwen, and that's basically white ants. As much as they are considered a delicacy, they are also highly regarded as an excellent source of nutrients. So I hope I've shared a little bit of information about white ants today. Although these came into the house like at night, when I was trying to sleep, I had the light on for a bit too late. I think I just was getting ready, blah, blah, blah. And the light was on, so they came in. Actually, no, the corridor light was on, so they just came in. They might have even come in under the door. There was a little gap under the door. So they might have even come in from that. So if you don't want white ants in your room, make sure your corridor lights are off, your front porch lights are off, your bedroom lights are off, and then you won't get this invasion of white ants. Yeah. All right then. Bye. See you in my next one.